How to fix CapCut export not working on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. One of the main reasons your CapCut export might not be working might be because you are using the unupdated version of your CapCut. So let's go ahead and fix it. Head over to your Play Store and then search for CapCut. If you see Update instead of Open, tap onto Update and update your app. Once you have done that, head over to your settings. Here, scroll below onto Apps. Again, search for CapCut. Under Usage, tap onto Storage and clear the cache. You can also tap on Clear Data, but by doing so, it will delete all of your saved videos or project. If you'd still like to continue, then tap on Clear Data, then tap on Delete. Now come back, then tap on Force Stop. Tap OK. Just like so, once you do all that, go ahead and work on a project, and that way you can save and export your project. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it has helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.